Is the demand dynamics of less demand in the United States the same as the demand dynamics, say, in Germany or Singapore?
Absolutely. European economic conditions are worse than they are in the U.S. Compound that with the higher price, and yes, we're not seeing any demand growth in Europe. We're not seeing very much demand growth around the world. It's just prices are too high, and even though they've come off, the gasoline prices have come off, the continued strength of the dollar, even though, as you noted, it's weakening, and just this sheer high price is deterring people from using the car as much as they were in the past.
Do you assume out of the bulls, and you've been right in the last number of months, Ed Morse, do you assume that demand clicks in if COVID is solved in Asia?
Well, certainly there's one level where demand will absolutely kick in, and that's jet fuel demand. China is a very large user of jet fuel. They've shut down international travel, so they're down about 1 million barrels a day from where they've been just on the jet fuel side. So yes, we do expect a year from now, all else equal, so we're going to see significantly more jet fuel demand. We don't see that happening, by the way, in the other transportation fuels. We think gasoline and diesel are likely to remain weak unless there, for some reason, is going to be a rebirth of global trade and some shot in the arm to get people driving again.
What's your base case for how low oil prices could go in the next 6 months?
Well, our base case is for oil to continue to drift downward. It's seeing Brent in the mid-80s and WTI in the low 80s for year end, and then continuing on that path into the months of 2023.
Into the